Today is Saturday.
We are visiting Grandma today. I feel so excited. Ha ha ha! Ho! Ha!
We need snacks for the trip.
The car is ready.
I am ready to go.
Are we ready?
Let's start our trip. The weather is beautiful today.
I like road trips.
The countryside looks beautiful.
Look at the cows.
The flowers are colorful.
I love nature.
We are here. Tom! Grandma! I missed you so much. It is good to see you.
Fresh cookies are ready.
The kitchen smells wonderful.
I will help you.
You are a good helper.
These cookies taste delicious.
Let's water the flowers.
The flowers look pretty.
These tomatoes are fresh.
The porch feels peaceful.
These are old family photos.
Dad looks funny. That picture is very old. Family time is special.
Dinner is almost ready.
The food smells amazing. Everything tastes delicious.
Grandma is a great cook.
The stars are coming out.
Tonight feels peaceful.
The stars are beautiful.
I love spending time together.
It is time to go home.
Come visit again soon.
I love you, Grandma.
Goodbye, Tom. Thank you for the wonderful day.
I love visiting Grandma's house.